Today's video is quite different. In the past, I've always had to do at least 2 different sports to not quite get the full body workout that I would always strive for. What you see here is me in my second year of indoor bouldering doing what I like to consider my first of 2 endurance workouts for the week. I've altered my typical bouldering session that would work on building strength and endurance for my legs, arms, and core. Instead, I'm climbing only V0 ranked boulders, which are the easiest boulders in any gym, but climbing them consecutively non-stop. If climbed correctly, it turns into a great aerobic workout to start, then a great anaerobic workout between boulders at the end. There's about 15 V0s in this gym, and I go through them in about 30 minutes. Once I'm done with the endurance workout, I'll usually continue climbing random boulders for play and practice. I created today's video though because I found that indoor bouldering can be a great sport for many types of athletes, even people who think they're not athletes. In my short time climbing at this gym, I've encountered so many different types of people who I'd never thought would give climbing a try. I recently encountered a blind girl climbing on the rope walls. It was a pretty amazing thing to see. A friend I met at this gym, who has since returned to Japan, was 70 years old. The array of people who show up at this gym is amazing, and I feel it's a sport that everyone should try at least once. You may hate it, or you may find a new passion like I did. I've recently quit cycling regularly and committed all my exercise days to climbing. It's nice to only have to do one sport to stay healthy. Leave any questions and comments you have in the comment section below. That's all I have for now, and I'll catch you in the next video.